So this is two-bin automatic material feeding system along with RM800, RM1050, RM1400. These are the two conveyor belts. First one is this for the sand and the second one is for the aggregate. The third material aggregate cement will be put directly into third bin. This is control panel. One is for aggregate, one is for sand, and one is for your cement. One is for water quantity, and one is for chemical. These are the controls. Schneider make contactors, relays. And this one is for the pen drive port, no? For the printout facility. Hydraulic oil tank, water tank, electric motor, two water pump. This is the third pump for chemical mixing. Hydraulic jet lift well make, and this one is premium gearbox wrapped in plastic. Electric motor for conveyor belt. Heavy duty tires for the movement. 4 numbers tire. Vibrating motor. Cosben Mac. Length of this two-bin automatic feeding system is 12 feet and this one is for 16 feet. This part will become the lower